In this video, we're installing an RTK Mobile SIM card into a Carlson RT5 tablet. The size SIM card that the tablet uses is the nano-sized SIM, also called 4FF. It's the smallest size that you can punch out of a tri-cut SIM card. Here we're removing the screws behind the battery cover, and once that's off, we can have access to the slot that the SIM card goes into. When you slide the SIM card in, you put the cut corner towards the slot that you're pushing it into. It has a spring fit. You'll hear it click. You'll feel it click when you push it in, and then you're done. And you can replace the cover, replace the 4 screws, put the battery cover back on. By the way, the screwdriver we're using here is a very small Phillips called 0 pound if you're looking for it in the store. Other small sizes will also work. If you'd like to learn more about RTK Mobile's multi-network SIM cards that allow you to support multi-networks from a single SIM card, please go to rtkmobile.com.